Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Set your Google account, enable two-step verification, and create a dedicated YouTube channel. You should upload channel art, a clear description, and your social links so viewers trust you. This builds discoverability. Once you approach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, apply for AdSense in the YouTube Studio on your phone. This is the payment gateway that lets you earn ads revenue. Once monetization basics are set, focus on content strategy. Plan a niche, mix shorts and long form, and batch record using your phone camera and external mic for better audio. Make sure to edit on mobile apps, export at 1080p, and use 16:9 framing for standard playback. Good thumbnails and clear titles improve click-through rate. Then enable additional revenue streams, channel memberships, merch shelf, and affiliate links when you meet thresholds, because diversification stabilizes income as ad CPMs fluctuate. To finish, publish on a schedule and check YouTube analytics on your phone daily. Focus on RPM, playback time, and audience retention to see what pays. If a video gets demonetized, review the policy details, trim or re-edit the flagged segment, and submit an appeal when appropriate. This protects your revenue. Make sure payment details in AdSense are accurate, keep local backups of uploads, and reinvest a portion of earnings into better gear or ads to grow faster.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.